Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to play Legend Fighter Mortal Battle and you want to log out of your linked account, then first of all, open up the Legend Fighter application on your device, and once you end up in this main menu or the lobby page, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top left corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to choose account setting from the bottom. Inside setting that appears on the screen, look for the logout button in red and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out of your Legend Fighter account. Confirm your selection when prompted by clicking on Yes, I'm sure, if you are sure you'd like to log out. So that's how you log out of Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.